guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you know, the Linton family, and my mom is about to. I'm not telling you yet. So I'm watching the movie Jesse, and it's gonna be a good day, guys. So.
Hey guys, so today guys I'm gonna be making my daughter's hair. What I'm applying on the hair right now is leave-in conditioner. It's a coconut cream leave-in conditioner. I got it from the hair store. I've never tried it before, but when I tried it, it was perfect. It just makes the hair softer and easier to comb. So I'm making her a twist. I've never done it before. I just saw this on videos, so I decided to try. Due to the pandemic, we can't go out to make our hair, so mom gotta do what she gotta do. So all I did was just to make a little braid underneath to make the twist tighter and stronger. Then I start the twisting. I'm not really a professional hairstylist, but I just hope this comes out nice. I also use the shea butter on the hair. That's what I usually use for her hair. I don't miss using the shea butter. After washing her hair with the shampoo and conditioner that we use, I apply the shea butter on it. Shea butter helps your hair grow faster and even softer too. So as you can see, it's coming out nice. Okay guys, that's the shea butter I just applied, and this also is a Murray gel lock. What this Murray gel lock does is just to hold the twist together. That's just what it basically does. So guys, we are done with the back. Now we're going to be making cornrow in this section and the other section. And when we are done with the cornrow, we're going to make twist with the front section. And that's it. We'll be done with the hair. Okay guys, this is really coming out nice, more than I expected. Twist well, at least it was okay. So let's go to the last section of the hair, and that'll be it. Let's see how this comes out, guys. I can't wait to see it. So guys, we did it. This really came out nice, more than I expected, guys. It really came out nice, guys. So guys, next I'm going to be applying the Echo gel just on the edges. As you can see, that's the Echo gel. I'll just use it on the edges. And when I'm done with the Echo gel, I'm going to be using a styling mousse. The styling mousse just helps hold the twist together, basically. And voila, we're done with our hair. So that's the styling mousse I'll be applying to our hair. Just pour some on your pan and rub all over the hair. And that's it. Okay guys, so here we have it. We're done with our hair. This really came out nice. It really came out nice, more than I expected. So guys, thanks for watching our video. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to our channel, click the like button, share our videos, guys. Thanks for watching. We love you guys, and from the Lintons family, we'll say bye.